Okay, so right now I am talking to a scammer. This is what she said. She said, if you give me a, trade me this first, and then I'll give you the black long. And then, so she wants me to trade she wants my yellow short for her black long. So she said, trade me this, wings, and then for my color, and I denied it. So let's see what she says. Okay, so she says, and you can tell AJ to give your, and then they will and stuff. See, look at, she's trying to show me this, and then she said, if you accept, then I'll give you a black one. I don't think so. Okay, why don't yeah, she's a scammer. I'm sorry, but I'm exposing you because um you don't need to be going around and scamming people. So she doesn't care. This is, well, you don't care, so I don't really care either. I'm just gonna expose you because this account should just be gone anyway. I mean, you have not much on trade. Let's see. I'm gonna go to your den. Yeah, she's pretty poor. Only a poor person. I don't look very poor, do I? Okay, well, um, anybody, if you see her again, and let her know that I exposed her, and then if you can find her other account, if you're her friend, please, try and, I want you to block her, and I want you to try and get rid of this account because I do not go against, I am against scamming, and this is really mean. There's a lot of kids out there who work really hard for their things, and I don't think it's right to go and take other people's stuff. So, please just, if you can do that, that'd be great. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, bye.